Thank you for hiring us to work on the transaction. Why did you decide to work with Fournier Legal Services?
Well, for me, it was a very simple decision, and you came to my mind immediately because we had met years and years earlier, and not only are you just very personable and very, very smart, you have a background that is in many ways unique in the legal field, and that is with your background in accounting. Lawyers famously are just not good business people, and I don't have any background in business. Everything I've learned by doing it myself through trial and error. And I knew that a transaction like this, not only analyzing the possibility of it, but then going through with it, I would need to have someone on my team who was an expert in all of the numbers, not just the numbers themselves, but thinking through everything through the lens of a business, not just a law practice. And so it was very simple for me to contact you right away because I knew that you had a background not just in accounting and running your own firm, but in your past, you had been someone who was helping law firm owners manage their operations. Not just how things work, but the finances behind it. And that was not only an easy decision, but it ended up being a fantastic decision because, that transaction, it basically, even though it only happens on one day, the lead up to it was 6+ months.
Right.
And there's so much that goes into it. And to have you and Sally and your whole team at that time was invaluable for me because it kept me even keeled. And I felt assured at just about every point along the way when I could have been discouraged or panicked even. And
Well, I appreciate that.
That made it fantastic.
Yeah, good. It's funny you say that about the numbers, and I wasn't really thinking of it from that angle, but it is true. The 6-month ramp up, I think the first interactions we had on this particular deal were you sending me a bunch of Excel spreadsheets, right? And saying,
yeah,
can I even do this, right? So I
exactly.
did forget about that angle, but yes.